equations. We did one of the example through the practice question. First one says show that x minus 1 is a factor of this. There are definitely two ways. One is algebraic, the other is factorization. And by factor, that is always shorter and easy. It says 2x cubed minus x square minus 2x plus 1. So when this is divisible by x minus 1, that would mean value of x is 1. So 2 into 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1. That's 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So plus 2 with minus 2 minus 1 with plus 1 and 0. This shows yes, it is a factor. Now it says factorize completely. 2x cube minus x square minus 2x plus 1, and we go for division to get the quadratic factor. Multiply with 2x square and get 2x cube. The second one comes with minus 1. Sign change. This is x square minus 2x plus 1. To get x square, we just multiply it with x. X square minus x. Signs change. Minus x plus 1. We just multiply with minus 1. We get minus x plus 1. Signs changed. And so it says, hence factorize this completely. Now I can write this 2x cube minus x square minus 2x plus 1 as this, as product of these two. Minus 1. Now I have to see that if I could further factorize the quadratic part. If yes, we'll go for it. If no, then this is the final answer. 2 1 times is 2. I'm trying for midterm breaking. Plus 2x minus x. X minus 1 common in first two is 2x. X plus 1 minus 1 common. X plus 1. The x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 1. So these are the three factors of the cubic polynomial. Now when we look at question number 2, in question 1, one of the linear factor was given. This is x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 10. Let's just factorize completely. What we would do is we will make the guess either x is equals to 0 or plus minus 1, plus minus 2 or plus minus 3. Within this, we always tend to get up the answer. And definitely in this case, I'm not going to try 0 because I can see 1, 2, 3 expressions will get 0, but minus 10 is still there. I'm just punching in calculator. I'm going for 1. 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 10. And with 1, I'm getting minus 10. When I tried 1, there's no need to write. We are just discussing. That's why I'm writing. I got minus 10. I'm changing it. I'm changing it to 2. Just replaced all the ones with 2 and I got 0. 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 10. I got 0. When I used x is equals to 2, that means x minus 2 is equal to 0 is a factor. Definitely it would have three factors. By hit and trial, I got this one of the factors. Someone else would get a different factor. Now going for the remaining factors, x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 10 and x minus 2. So x square, x into x square is x cube minus 2x square plus minus minus plus. This is 4x square minus 3x minus 10 plus 4x. We get 4x square minus 8x. Signs changed. 5x minus 10 into 5 is 5x minus 10. Sign changed. 0. So we could write that the polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 10 is a product of x minus 2 into x square plus 4x plus 5. X minus 2 x square plus, okay, these are all positive. Do we have a factor? 5, 1, 5, 5 is either a product of 1 and 5 only. We don't have. I'll just quickly make sure b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4 into a into c is 16 minus 20. So we don't have a factor. We're getting negative number under
So
the,
B squared 4AC is a way to check if it's
yeah,
able to be factorized? Okay.
minus b plus minus square root b square over 4ac. This is negative. So I just stop there.
Yeah, okay.
Just save time to check all this.
So this has no solution?
No solution.
Okay.
Like we may have answers which are in decimals, but in this case, the discriminant is negative. So this is our final answer.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead and try. Hmm. Try question number C. That's easy. Don't get confused in making the first try.
2C, right?
Yeah, 2C.
I think either I'm doing the division wrong because my answer, I'm getting it with x multiplied with x minus 6 and then 2x squared plus 3x.
Yeah, you should not get that square because that's a cubic polynomial, and
Yeah,
at the end,
yeah. But for the final one, I'm only getting 2x squared plus 3x. There's no other one that I was getting.
okay, see if you just took out the common, correct, because x is already there. We can clearly see that the first vector should be x when we made the trial. Which one did you try? Can you
Well,
see it working in front of you?
yeah, I do have my working in front of me. So basically what I did was
Share.
I first just tried to get what would make the equation equal to 0. So that would be 6. So x minus 6.
Okay,
And
let me do it with you.
yeah.
So for those trials, and just remember, like as I told you, you should get it within these, or you're going too far. See, you could have got that 0 with x equal to 0 as well.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that was straight away. So we just take out x common and then factorize the remaining quadratic. Let's just quickly check it if you're getting x minus 6. You placed x is equals to 6. That should give you x minus 6 as a factor. And this was 2x cube minus 9x square minus 18x. So 2x square first. X into 2x square is 2x cube. 6 2 times is 18. X square, this is positive, this is negative, goes away. This is 9x square minus 18x. And then to get 9x square, I'm multiplying with 9x. So this is a 9x square. 9 into x is 54.
No, it's 6 times 2, right? So wouldn't that be 12?
Yeah. My bad. I did it 3. I did with that cube. So 6 2 times is 12. And then plus. So this is 3 only. 3x square minus 18x. So then plus 3x is 3x square and 6 3 times is 18x. Signs changed. So we get x minus x into 2x square plus 3x. Now we take out x as common in the second bracket. So when you're taking out x as common, you're left with 2x plus 3. There you go. When you take out x common, there's not no more 2x square. That is 2x plus 3. x, x, x minus x, x minus 6, and 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Getting it?
Yes. So I think I accidentally wrote the
Yeah.
square probably then. I just copied it down wrong.
Yep. Yep. I'm going for deep part. X cube minus 8x square plus 5x plus 14. So clearly in this case again 0 is not an option because we'll get 14. I'm going for 1 cube minus 8 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 14. With 1, I'm getting 12. With 2, replacing it with 2, I'm getting 0. 2 cube minus 8 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 12. I'm getting 0. So that means x minus 2 equal to 0 is the factor. X minus 2, x cube minus 8x square plus 5x plus 14. So with x square, I'm getting x cube minus 2x square plus minus minus plus. This is minus x square plus 5x plus 14. Then we go for minus 6x. So minus x square. 6 2 times is 12x. Negative positive, positive negative. Cancels out, minus 7x plus 14. And minus 7 would give minus 7x plus 14. Signs changed. And we get 0. So this is x minus 2 into x square minus xx minus 7, where we know this is 1 into 7 only. X minus 2 into x square minus 7x plus x minus 7 satisfies the conditions of addition and product. X minus 2, take out common. First 2 is x minus 7. No common in second 2, so that's 1. X minus 7. X minus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 7. And we're done with D. Okay. Try G part. Let me know what did you try first. The guess.
Okay. Could x equals 2 work?
Get this working.
So x minus 2 equals 0. So Okay. So the final answer should be x minus 2, 2x minus 1, and 2x plus 2. I mean, 2x plus 1.
X minus 2, and then it is
2x minus 1, and then 2x plus 1.
and 2x plus 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm checking these two quickly, which makes x is equals to 1 by 2, and the other one makes x equals to minus 1 by 2. So I'm replacing these numbers in this main equation to check if it works. I've already written that in calculator for 2, so I'm replacing that with 1 by 2. Replaced all the 2's with 1 by 2, and I'm getting 0, yes. And with the negative 1 by 2, that's yes again. So this is correct. Now the only difference in question 2 and 3, and let's say we've done this already. Let's try B part. The only difference is we are leaving as factors, and when we'll substitute it equal to 0, we will solve for x. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equals to 0. So going for trial, 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6 is giving me 0. X is equal to 1, so x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. X square, we get x cube minus 6x square. Positive, negative, negative, positive. Did I copy that right? That was positive, negative, positive, negative. And x square giving me x cube, negative x square, positive x cube. Okay, let's see. So I'm left with 11x minus 6. That was 1 cube minus 6 x square plus 11 into 1. It gave me 0, but why am I not getting it here? Plus 11 should give me 11x and minus 11. Did I made a mistake in calculator? This was x cube, 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6. I'm getting 0. This is strange. When x is 1, so x minus 1. Retrying this. Oh, I wrote 6. That was 1. This is x square. X into x square is x cube. And this was actually 1. I wrote 6. Positive to negative, negative to positive. Cancels out. This is minus 5x square plus 11x minus 6. Then we go for minus 5x to get minus 5x square. Minus minus plus 5x. Signs changed. And we get 6x minus 6. Now with 6, I'm going to get 6x minus x. Signs changed and 0. So this is x minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus x is equals to 0. X minus 1, second part, x square minus 2x minus 3x plus x is equals to 0. X minus 1, x common, x minus 2 minus 3 common, x minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now the only difference in 2 and 3 is this is equal to 0. So we solve for x. X equals to 1, x equals to 3, and x is equals to 2. All right, these values, the polynomial is equal to 0. Mm, Try E part.
So the final answer is x minus 2, 2x minus 7, and x plus 3.
X minus 2,
2x minus 7.
2x minus 7, and
X plus 3.
x plus 3. When it is equal to 0, this is not final, this is the second last step. So x equals plus 2, x is equals to 7 by 2, and x is equals to minus 3. I'm punching that in the main equation. The first one is 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 11 into 2 plus 6. 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 11 into 2 plus 6. I'm not getting 0. Is it x equals minus 2 or x is equal to 2?
X minus 2. That's what I wrote. So it equals x plus 2. I mean, equals x equals to plus 2. Positive 2.
That's correct, as you said.
Yeah. It's supposed to be x equals to 2, not
So
negative 2.
with 2, I'm not getting 0.
Okay. So with negative 2, you're getting 0?
Okay, see. With negative 2, I'm replacing those 2's with negative 2. And yes, I'm getting 0 now. Would that change these two also?
Maybe their signs would change.
X is equals to minus 2 is giving me 0. So the factor is x plus 2. So 2x cube minus 3x square minus 11x plus 6. We divide it with x plus 2. So 2x square x into 2 is 2x cube plus 4x square. We change those signs, subtract them, and then minus 7x gives me minus 7x square minus 14x plus plus 3x plus 6. Then we go for 3. This is 3x plus 6. Signs changed and 0. So x plus 2 into 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. X plus 2 stays there. This is 2, 3 times 6. So minus x minus x would give us product as plus 6 and sum as minus 7. X plus 2, 2x common, x minus 3 minus 1 common, x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. Everything changes. So first factor equal to 0, second factor equal to 0, third factor equal to 0. X is equals to minus 2, x is equals to 1 by 2, x is equals to 3. Hmm. Choose one out of these three, F, G, H. I think we did. Yeah, we did E.
I'll do F. No, I'll do G.
Okay. I'll slowly do it with you. Did you get your first factor?
Yes.
What is that?
I got x equals to 2, so x minus 2.
Okay, I got x is equals to minus 2.
I'll quickly recheck.
With 2, I'm getting 84. Did you get it?
I am just quickly. Oh, okay. Yeah, 2. Or else is equal to 76. Yeah. So x plus 2. And I divide it from the bigger one.
Yeah, I went for 1, 2, and 3 and then get 0. Then I tried minus 1. No luck. Then minus 2. Got 0. So the first vector is a reverse of that. That is x plus 2.
Okay. For the actual exam, we just need the values of x, right?
Yes.
So then we don't have to write it out like with the 3 different forms multiplied together, right? We could just use like the quadratic formula on the
Yeah, if you've just done this, you can go for these easy steps as well. First one is already done. So you could just copy this quotient.
Yeah. So I'm getting x equals to 2, x equals 3 over 2, and x equals negative 1 over 2.
Almost there.
I mean, x equals negative 2.
I heard the opposite signs. Are we getting 3 same signs?
X equals, yeah, negative 2. x equals, oh, I was getting negative 1 over 2, so then that's just 1 over 2, and I was getting 3 over 2, but then you're getting negative 3.
Okay, let me know if we have this expression as same. Positive 4x square, positive 4x minus 3. Is the same in our case?
My quotient, oh wait, my quotient was 4x squared minus 4x minus 3, not plus 4x.
Yeah. That's why you're getting different signs.
Okay. So then the correct answer is 1 over 2 and negative 3 and negative 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Now look at question number 4. Solve the following equations, express roots in the form a plus minus b square root c where necessary. So definitely I cannot make a guess. Let's go for A and then B. Let's see where we get the exact answers and where we get this in the root form. 4A x cube plus 5x square minus 4x minus 2 is equals to 0. Similar way we go for hit and trial. 1 cube plus 5 into 1 squared minus 4 into 1 minus 2. I'm getting 0. 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 2, 0 equals 0. So x minus 1 equals to 0. X minus 1 is the first root. This is x cube plus 5x square minus 4x minus 2. X square is x cube minus 5x square. Positive, negative, negative, positive cancels out. Again, I made the same mistake. This is 1. 1 is minus x square. So we're left with 4x square minus 4x minus 2. Further multiplication with 4x gives me 4x square minus 4x. Mm. And again, a silly mistake. This is 5 and 1, 6. So we multiply with 6 to get 6x square minus 6x plus 2 minus 2 plus. We get rid of this. This is 2x minus 2. And finally, with 2 to get 2x and minus 2, sign changes and we get 0. So the first one is already done, x minus 1 equal to 0, which was x is equal to 1. And the remaining is x square plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. And yes, I would go for quadratic formula where x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 into a into c over 2a minus 6 plus minus, that's 36 minus 8 36 minus 8 is 28 over 2 minus 6 plus minus, checking square root 28 in calculator is giving me 2 square root 7 over 2. In order to convert it into this form where there is no denominator, or either we just split that up, would be minus 6 by 2 plus minus 2 square root 7 by 2. So it is finally minus 3 plus minus square root 7. One answer was already x is equal to 1. The other two are these. X is equals to 1, x is equal to minus 3 plus square root 7, and x is equal to minus 3 minus square root 7. Any doubt? Try B part. Question 4b. X cube plus 8x square plus 12x minus 9 is equal to 0.
Sorry, can you hear me right now?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay. Yeah, I was trying to, when you asked, I said yeah, but I don't think you could hear me. I was muted. So I just do 4B?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know when you get the first vector.
Okay. So first one I get is x equals -3 as a
Correct.
root. And I'll get the quotient.
Yeah.
So I'm getting x squared plus 5x minus 3.
Mhm. Keep going.
Okay. Then it should be x equals -3, x equals -5/2 plus square root 37/2, And x equals negative 5 over 2 minus square root 37 over 2.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So we have same nature here. And let's see, question 5 is again just a different statement, same nature. Question 6 says write to two decimal places. Again, it is exactly the same nature. We would just solve the root and go for decimals. After we just rearrange x cube plus 8x square plus 12x minus 9 is equals to 0, and exactly same way. Okay. Hmm. Question number 7 says show that x minus 2 is a factor of this, and hence show that this has only one real root and state the value of this root. Let's try question 7. Do you understand the word root?
Yes.
7a says that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus x square minus x minus 2. So if that's so, x is equals to 2. When you have to show that, you have to show that in writing. 2 cube minus 2 square minus 2 minus 2. 2 cube is 8 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2. So that's 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's minus 8. And we get 0. So yeah, it is a factor. Then B part says, hence show that this has only one real root. So this is x cube minus x square minus x minus 2, which was already divisible by x minus 2. X square gives me x cube minus 2x square plus 2 minus minus 2 plus, and this is x square minus x minus 2. Then with x is x square minus 2x plus 2 minus minus 2 plus, and this is x minus 2. With plus 1, x minus 2, signs changed, and the other half is x square plus x plus 1. Now, show that it has only one real root, which is obviously x minus 2, and we are going for the check that it has no other real root. So b square minus 4ac is enough for the check. 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 is 1 minus 4 equals minus 3. So where b square minus 4ac is less than 0 has no real roots. And it said that has only one real root and state the value, so which is x is equals to 2. Whenever the word is there, state. You don't need any working, you can directly write the answer. No proves, nothing. Direct answer. Now look at question number 8. This is the exact reverse of what we've been doing. Question number 8a. It is given that x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to 1, x is equals to 5. Few hints are there. F of x is equal to 0 for these. That means these are the roots, and coefficient of x cube is 1. So reverse of it would be x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 5 is equals to 0.
So do we just expand?
Yeah. Or we don't just write this and write f of x. This is it. And it stays the same almost throughout till 11. And similar way goes for 12. And in next class, we will see the remainder theorem. In this, the remainder was 0. They were the exact factors. In the next, we are going to divide it with some other number, and definitely which is not a factor, to get the remainders. Any question for today?
No questions.
Okay. So just for a warm up, if you wish, you could go for the missing questions. 1 to 2 questions would be enough. And inshallah, we'll continue with the next exercise in our next class.